All right, this is the recap after 100 trades I have taken using silver bullet strategy. Let's just go with this, okay? My goals are just to testing out how this silver bullet strategy can be a good strategy for us to apply. Then, of course, I wanted to master this strategy by, on how you draw the fair value gap, because for the first 2 months, I was really off. I ended up having lots of mistrade, and then so what I have observed so far, only two things, because I'm not really expert on this matter, nor am I expert in anything with with tradings, um, indices. So fair reversal. What do I mean by fair reversal? Okay, you don't go against the trend. Most likely, you just wait for the market to pick up your fair value gap. That's it. You just need to wait. Fair value gap picked up, then it would go again. It would go with your trading plan, like a sample right here. Okay, how I drew with this, had to master the intraday bias as well. That's why the bias, you need to know the bias. So most likely prevent news. I avoided news. If there is a news, I'm like, okay, I need to just you need to just watch out with news, because news would reverse or go with the trend, right? So this is the example. You can just say, you can see it here, where, okay, now you understand fair value gap. You like, okay, I need this market to pick up this to go around here, then go down. Yep, it went down how I did it. Then when it comes to confirmation, need to be, yeah, you need to see how, you gotta see like how the market created the candles, pretty much. Like for example, like this one, right? It would have been safer, okay, if I waited the candles to go retest this high, but apparently it tested only this line before melting it down. Yeah, this one is the perfect sample here. You just, I had to wait, because I understand when I saw this, right? Okay, I want market wanted to just go retest this high. Then when you see, oh, there's a confirmation, oh yeah, it's going down, then it hit TP confirmation, key as well, right? And then I know it will go a lot more, maybe some, as far as the type of fair value gap, intraday bias, and everything. But I'm just gonna make everything simple here, because I'm not really expert on this. Okay, now this is the stat so far. So I have 33% miss, or 33 trades missed. I have 37, about 37 wins, and SL about 32, I believe. No, 28. We need to, I'm just gonna add, cut 50% into the hit SL. So let's just do the calculator here. So pretty much 37 as my wins. Then okay, let's just go with the miss trades. Okay, let's just go with the miss trade. Let me see. So 33, that's 37. Okay, let me make sure. Yeah, 33, 37, right? So we'll have 70, okay? Then 70, okay? So 37 divided by 70, right? Then we'll have 52%. 52%. Okay, so 52%. If we go against the miss rate, this is how most likely it would do for you to try this. Okay, and then let's just go with the SL and the win. So 37 as my wins times I believe 27 and 28. So that's 28. We'll get 65. Okay, now 37 divided by 65 have 56%. So 56%, that's how the win rate, about half and half. Do you think it's worth it? It's up to you. You decide about this. But as far as the miss rate, if we go the miss, it's still, yeah, I think, hey, this is it. After 100 trades, that's how you get 56 win rate. All right, I guess I'm just gonna do this right after summer, and then let's see how it goes. Okay then, thank you so much. I hope you guys get something out of this video. Okay, see you in fall.